As you can see, we're stuck in the middle of a thunderstorm. This is one of the strongest thunderstorms the second I've ever seen. But the lightning's bad, like real bad. It's thundering here, thundering there. Look, here's what my window looks like. And here's what the main window looks like. It's definitely a chance for tornadoes in Charlotte and Tornado Alley. There's definitely a chance for tornadoes. Anyways, up in Charlotte and Tornado Alley, more in Tornado Alley, there's a higher chance for tornadoes right now at the moment. And if anyone out there that lives in Tornado Alley and catches a tornado forming, I want you to send this to this I want y'all to quick send this to this video. I will watch and react to the videos you sent me. I will react to y'all's meme that y'all sent me. Oh, I'll finish the rest later at the end of the video, but the rain just intensified. There's the cows over there who give no care about the rain. And thank you for getting one of my shorts to 1,000 views. That was amazing. Holy cow! But awesome. Is anyone out there in Tornado Alley or somewhere, a place where tornadoes commonly form? I just want to say, hit me up with it. Record it and hit me up with it. I will react and subscribe to the channel, and I will like it. And I will comment. So please, send me down a video of a storm near you, or a tornado, or anything else. Tsunami, hurricane, whatever it can be. Send me the video and I'll either react to it or I'll do all. But you can see we're heading down an alley where the rain is quickly intensifying. If you can hear it on the window shield, you can quickly hear that it's intensifying. It's almost blocking out my voice. So without further ado, let's get this on the road. Whoa, as you can see, the window shield's actually blurring up. This is how heavy it is today. And the downpour is really bad, so I'm advising y'all to stay out of the rain long enough. Or at least find shelter, because I have a bad feeling about this. I have a really bad feeling about this. So I'm advising y'all to pack your things and put it in a closet in case. I got a really bad feeling about this. You can see what it's doing. Oh my gosh, we can't even see. We can barely see. Well, y'all might be able to see it through the phone camera, but whenever I don't have the camera on, it's nearly impossible to see unless you turn it towards this area. But as you can see, it's not as bad here, but it is over here. We can barely see, which is what scares me. Hopefully the rain will calm down soon. If it doesn't, well, then we're all cooked if it doesn't calm down. There you go. Okay, the rain is lowering. If you can hear it now, the rain has lowered. The rain has now lowered, allowing us to see a lot better. So, as we take there's a stream on my side, some cows that resemble my brother. And as you can see, we're still going. We're still going, and as you can see, the rain has picked up very heavy. Oh, it's starting to intensify again, and it's calming back down. So now I think it's going in an in-between cycle. First it intensifies, then it lowerfies, then it intensifies, then lowerfies. As you can hear it right now, it's starting to be in the middle of some kind of cycle. It's starting to feel like it's about to be in the middle of some kind of cycle right now. So I'm not sure if this could be a tornado warning or not, but if we ever do get this, if we do get a tornado warning, let's just say I'm good to go. As you can see, we're still riding. Oh well. I'm gonna be silent so y'all can finally hear the peace sound of rain in 3, 2, 1. Me.
Did I get any text on the marketplace? Look,
No.
look. On the messenger.
Hold on, I'm waiting for this bus to turn. There you go. Guess I'll try and get in trouble. Even though, because I have it to a place to where you can't really see this thing, because it's like, you're facing from here to the right there, so. We're just gonna kind of zoom it in. Give you a much closer view up at the storm. I've tried a much closer view. Alright, that's the end.